Okay class, today we're going to be doing subtracting with regrouping. So as you can see, I already have a problem laid out for us. We're going to be doing 42 minus 36. So as you can see, we have a bigger number on the bottom and a smaller number on top. So we're going to need to fix that so that we can take 36 away from 42. Okay, so we're going to focus our attention to the left side with the 42 side. So we have 4 10 blocks and 2 ones, and then 3 10 blocks and 6 ones on the other side. So we're going to focus on the 42. So with this block here, we can actually take it away. We can move this block down here and add 10 separate ones, 10 little 1 blocks, so that then we can take away 6 from what will end up being 12. Okay, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have enough to take the 6 away from the 42. Okay, so now we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. Oops. And that leaves us with 6 over here. And so our 3's end up canceling out up here. So now we don't have any 10's left, and we only have this. Oh, let's do that. Oh, no, that's not even true. Now we have 6 left, 6 little 1's left over here, which is our answer. So if we look at our calculator, it actually shows us that 42 minus 36 does equal 6. So that is how we got our answer. 42 minus 36 is 6. These cancel out over here, and these cancel out over here. And we have these 6 left here. Okay, good job everyone.